Here's a fun little card using the brand new Ice Cream Swirl stamp set along with the matching dies. Now what I've done here is made kind of a little bit of a miniature card. It's just a small card base, and then I'm making the ice cream cone to put on top of it. And the cone is actually going to be the folding card part. So I just chose to stamp the ice cream here with the Bubble Bath stamp set, and then I'm just coloring in some of the stripes with the Bubble Bath blends. Then I'm going to add, after adding some accents, I'm going to add the Wink of Stella glitter pen, and you can kind of see it in the camera, but you can see it way more sparkly in person, and it just adds some fun since it's sparkly. Now we're going to add a little cherry to the top of the ice cream and a sentiment, and we will put the card together. Now I will have pictures for this card on my website. If you want to hop over there, it's at madetocreatewithlisa.com. This is from the brand new mini catalog that just started, and there are just so many great things in it. So I hope you'll check it out. You can find a link to the new catalog on my website. And I just hope that you will like this post and share it with your friends. It just really helps me out, and I appreciate you so much. I hope you like this fun little card idea. Because this cone folds from the die, I just thought that it would be just fun, just a really neat little fold. Now see how you can cut out that whole thing there, and then it just folds right on the score line, and then I'll just stick that to the card base. Now we'll just add the ice cream on top, and then all the little accessories, and it's finished. Isn't that fun? I feel like I have so many different ideas for this stamp set, but this was just kind of the first little thing I played with, and I just really liked it. So I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you will check out the brand new catalog. There are so many great things in it, and yeah, I will talk to you again soon.